Here are 15 tips to help you get the best out of your Volvo XC40. Tip number 1. There's a hidden key inside the remote key. If you find the remote key isn't opening the doors, use the hidden key inside of it. To do this, press down and across on the small button located on top of the remote key. Then slide the key cover down and lift it up to take it off. Inside you'll find the hidden key. Now head to the passenger side door and pull on the door handle, where you'll find a lock hidden underneath, and use the key to unlock the car. The key can also be used on older XC40 models to enable or disable the child lock. Tip 2. The side mirrors can be folded in, even while driving, perfect for when space is tight and you need more room. To fold them in, press and hold the L and R buttons located on the inside of the driver's door. Then press them again to fold the mirrors back out. Tip 3. Remotely unlock the car and open all the windows. This is handy on a hot day to cool down the interior of the vehicle before you get in. To do this, press and hold the open button on the remote key until the car is unlocked and all the windows are down. To close them again, press and hold the lock button. Tip 4. Not a fan of the shelf in the back? Well, while it has its benefits, personally I'm not a fan of it. So where to put it? Well, Volvo has created a storage space under the floor mat to hide it completely out of the way, so you'll never know it's there. Pretty cool, huh? Tip 5. There are several places to store cards like business or bank cards. There are 2 slots under the steering column next to the driver's door. There's a slot directly above the wireless charger in the centre console. And you can store a card under each sun visor. Tip 6, and one I use a lot, there's a ticket holder inside the windscreen so you don't need to stick things to the glass, making it super easy for putting tickets or permits under. Tip 7, inside the glove compartment there's a foldable hook. This hook can hold up to 2 kilograms in weight, so if you've got something you don't want to spill over or roll over, use this hook. Tip 8, earlier I explained you can use the hidden key to enable or disable the child lock on older XC40 models. Well, on newer XC40 models there are 2 buttons inside the driver's door. One for the child lock and one for the window lock. Tip 9. You can adjust the default height of the tailgate. This is useful if you have a garage ceiling that's low or if you can't reach the tailgate at full height. When the tailgate is at the height you want, press and hold the tailgate button until you hear 2 beeps. And that's it. The tailgate will now open to the height you want. To reset it again, manually push it fully open and press and hold the button until you hear the 2 beeps. Tip 10, and one hopefully you don't need to use. There's a panic button on the remote key. If you need immediate help or want to alert people nearby, press and hold the panic button on the remote key for 3 seconds. This will activate the car's horn and indicator lights, alerting others to your situation. Tip 11. You can remotely open the boot or trunk. Simply press and hold the tailgate button on the remote key. Tip 12. Warm up your car in the winter months without leaving the comfort of your home. First, download the Volvo app on your phone. Once it's connected to your car, open the app and press the Start Car button. This will start the engine and heat up the car's interior for 15 minutes. The vehicle will remain locked, and without the remote key, no one can drive off in it. Tip 13. Depending on your region and age of the car, Volvo offers a 4 to 5 year digital service package which includes unlimited data for Google Apps and other in-car services, meaning you don't need to pay for any data usage. Tip 14, and this ties in with the previous tip, you can watch Amazon Prime on the infotainment system. First you'll need an Amazon Prime account, then download and install the Amazon Prime app on the infotainment system. Once installed, open it, log in and you're away. But keep in mind this will only work when you're parked, and if you have the digital service package, any data you use will come out from this. Tip 15, you can listen to MP3s from a USB-C drive. On the infotainment system, download and install Audio Wagon from the Google Play Store. Then connect your USB or USB-C device to the white USB-C port in the center console and you're good to go. So those are my 15 tips for your Volvo XC40 and I hope you found them helpful. Meanwhile, thank you for watching and please help support the channel by subscribing below and hit the like and alert bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.